Hi, welcome to CivilMix. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to fill a programmed level sheet and this level sheet, this spreadsheet, I am going to give you for free from CivilMix website. So you can download this level sheet for free. This is totally programmed one. So now I am going to teach you a small exercise. On my left hand side there is a surveying exercise. You can see the section and a plan view of the points which I have touched, and the level positions mean that instrument positions, and every staff reading which I have taken in relevant level positions. So this is very clear, and I am just going to put this data on this level sheet, and you can download this programmed level sheet and you are going to fill this with me. First point is datum. Datum means that known point. You know the radius level of this datum. Actually here it is plus 50 meters. I have clamped the level instrument on level position 1. You can see it in this section as well as this plan. Clamping the instrument on level position 1, I have taken these staff readings of datum point A, B, C and D. Keeping the staff on D without changing, I have changed the level position from 1 to 2. This is level position 2. Again I have taken this E point and F point. Keeping the staff on F point, I have changed the level instrument to level position 3. This is the way of transferring levels. I think you know. So we need all the radius level of these unknown points. We know this datum point, but we need to calculate all the radius level of unknown points. Means we need to calculate the radius level of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and J. So this level sheet will help you to get this radius level easily. So now what I am going to do is to fill this level sheet according to the surveying data we have collected from the site. First point is datum. So that staff reading has taken from the level position 1. So first point is datum, so I am going to write it here, DATUM on remarks box, and in radius level I am going to fill here as 50. You just need to fill the known point. That is why I have highlighted the first box of this radius level. You just need to fill this only. Here you want to put the back side into the staff reading, that is here that staff reading is mentioned 2.554, that is backside. Next point is point A. It should be an intersite. It should be an intersite. So I'm going to enter the staff reading 1.786 and the staff position is A. B also an intermediate point. The reading is 0.927 and remarks column I am going to enter B. C also an intermediate point, so I am going to enter the value 1.983. Next point is backside. You can see in here I am going to change the level instrument position, level position 1 to level position 2. So this D point is a changing point. We are calling this as changing point. So we have two staff readings for this D staff position. So first one should be foresight, as you know. So the value is 3.589 here, 3.589. The remarks column I am going to enter D, and I am going to change the level instrument from level position 1 to level position 2. That staff reading 1.305 should be a backside for level position 2. So I am going to enter 1.305 here and enter, that is backside. That E is an intermediate point, means interside. So here I am going to enter the staff reading 1.422 as an interside, and that is E. F is again a foresight, so the reading is 0.571. You can see the reading here, and that is F. F. And again we are going to change this level position from 2 to 3. So we are going to take again the value of staff reading at F, that it should be a backside. So the reading is 3.250. You can see here that staff reading. G is intermediate point, so we are fill it in interside column. The reading is 1.925. H is a foresight for level position 3. The value of the reading of the staff is here 0.462, and that is H. Again we are going to change the level position from 3 to 4. The backside is 3.015 and foresight is 0.780. The staff position is J. Now we have already filled and you have already calculated these reduced levels. You can see all the reduced levels here according to the staff position that you need to calculate this reduced level. This is very easy, and if you need to check the height of collimations, you can unhide this column and you can see all the height of collimations for all the stations. Just check these intermediate points, intersides. You can see height of collimation. As you see here, this height of collimation, this height of collimation, this height of collimation, and this height of collimation are same for datum A, B, C. Height of collimations are same. You can see datum A, B, C. Height of collimations are same. D, E. Height of collimations are same. F, G. Height of collimations are same. But I don't want this column, so I am going to hide that. So this free spreadsheet you can download from this description. This is very accurate, and you can use this for this kind of leveling survey. If this is helpful for you, please share with your friends, hit like button and subscribe CivilMix YouTube channel. Thank you.